Key Credit Repair is a nationally recognized credit repair company. Every single one of our clients is treated like a human being. We understand that you have real life goals. It's not just about a 3-digit score, it's about your life mission. What are you trying to do with this credit score? Are you trying to get a job and pass a background check or a security clearance? Are you trying to buy a home or finance a car? Are you trying to get a student loan for your kids to go to college? Every credit report is different, so how can you just sign up online for something? We build out a customized action plan for every single person we talk to that's designed around their specific credit report. And that's why we will not do a consultation until we actually see the data on that report, until we see those specific scores. Our typical client is a hard-working person. They're doing all the right things, they're trying to take care of their families, but this 3-digit credit score, this bad credit, is holding them back from their next life goal. I've been in the past the guy that was told no, and it's a horrible feeling. I love being able to take my clients from point A to point Z with their credit, and knowing that they're gonna get a yes. When they get approved for something that they've been declined for, I feel like I'm getting approved, and it's by far the greatest feeling in the world.